Let me introduce you to some of the main components of the Vanguard system. The Vanguard solves a lot of very complex problems without being complex itself. So we'll start with the cleaning collar. The cleaning collar is made of 6061 aircraft aluminum and stainless steel. Its collar design actually enables the system to get a full coverage, 360 degrees around the jet hose. It accommodates several sizes of jet hoses depending on what you need. Also, it has these gaskets here, so when the leader hose or repair coupling comes up through it, it won't grab onto it and carry itself up to the top. Next, we have the main control module. This is the brains of the machine. The system itself has very simple controls. It has your on and off here. Once it's on, it'll be able to sense the pressure drop in any of the operations of either the handgun or the cleaning collar from the operator station. Once it's on, it's just in standby mode waiting for the system to be activated by the operator. Also, this knob, you can turn the antibacterial completely all the way to the off position or on high. The main pump in this system pulls about 1.5 gallons of water off the truck's main water storage for jet trucks, and a little bit less than half of that for CCTV. As you can see, it also has a switch, which is the winterizing switch, which is attached to the truck's main air tank. Once you turn that on, you're able to blow out the system, blow out the hoses, and all of the components to prevent freezing. The system does have automatic heating equipment inside of it to help protect itself until the weather is a little bit warmer. On the back of it, we have our DOT push connect fittings and also the electricity, which is 12 volts here in the US and Canada and 24 volts in Australia. So these are all push to connect fittings, so in the event there is a problem with the Vanguard in the field, you can simply unplug the electric and then pull out the tubes and send in the main unit for repair. We'll also send you a loaner unit in the meantime. Also, you have a 50-foot hose reel here along with the handgun. The handgun is very useful for being able to change out the nozzles. You have the 0, the 15 and 25 degree angle tips, so you can wash down the truck or the manhole or your boots or shoes or any of the cleaning stuff that's exposed to wastewater. One very helpful thing on the Vanguard is you can disconnect the collar from the front of the truck and actually attach it directly to the hose. So if you're in an easement, you can pull out the hose and attach the Vanguard collar right at the source, so you're not pulling back all that mess across somebody's yard. When the Vanguard's needed, simply pull it out of its holster, open it up, and attach it to the jet hose. You'll then turn it on and just retrieve as normal, so you don't have any slowing down whatsoever on the operation. Once it comes back and it's on the end of the tiger tail or the nozzle, you simply open it up, peel it back off, and put it right back in the holster, and you're on to the next line. Easy as that. We also have our 5-gallon antibacterial tank. So the tank itself will last anywhere from between 2 and 3 weeks per fill-up, and it houses the broad-spectrum antimicrobial in there, so you need to fill it up very rarely, and so it lasts a very long time between fill-ups. As far as the installation goes, it's very quick and easy to do. We do supply all the different templates for the various components, so depending on where you want to install the system, you simply lay out the templates where you propose to do it, mark it out, and then drill them with a 3/8 inch hole and push it all together with the tubes and the nuts and bolts included. So that's a good way to take a look at the Vanguard. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Thank you.